This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gary Harwell. 5+ acres in bucolic Walland, Tennessee. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms on 1 level. 5.3 gently rolling acres with a view of Chilhowee Ridge in the Smoky Mountains foothills. The property is mostly cleared while there are some trees adding to your privacy. Large windows bring nature's beauty inside or enjoy time on one of the decks. Oversized 2-car side entrance garage leads into the mudroom/laundry room for added convenience. From there, step into the study and enjoy the cozy fireplace in the cooler seasons, or head straight out to the main deck and enjoy the scenery. 1-level living on 5.3 acres in Walland, Tennessee. For more information, review the details below or contact Gary Harwell at 865-584-4000.